Standard 2nd, Grammar, Chapter number 22, is, are, am with ing form of doing words. Continue from exercise 2. Some words end in e. When we add ing, we drop the e, add in ing to the word given below and write them in the blanks. Here they have given examples. Some like means we have to drop this e. Okay, so instead of e, what we have to write ing, means like, then you have to remove e, and after that k you have to write ing, means ling, licking, liking, liking. Okay, then second, taste, taste. So again you have to remove e, tast, and after that you have to add ing, means tasting. So in the same way, everywhere when the this word end with e, see, everywhere you will see that last letter is e. Okay, so love, so you have to remove e, and instead of e you have to write ing, means loving, loving. Care, so you have to remove e and you have to write caring, caring. Share, then you have to remove e and sharing, sharing. Now here taste, taste, bite, bite, so you have to remove e, biting, biting. Dance, dance, means you have to remove e again, dance, dancing. Close, close, so you have to remove e, closing, closing, so you will get the answer like this. Okay, now I am showing you exercise C. Here, when ing is added to some doing words, then the last letter is double. Add ing to the following words and write them. Means here what you have to do? Here you don't have to remove, but instead of removing, you have to write last letter 2 times, means repeating 2 times. Okay, so here jog, jog, right? So what is last letter? G. So you have to write that G 2 times. JOGGING. Okay. If this last letter it is there, so you have to write 2 times, and after that you have to add ing. See here, GET. So then GETTING, getting. Here HIT. So you have to write 2 times T. So HITTING, hitting. GRIN, green. So you have to write GRINING, greening. SHOP, shop. So instead of 1 P, you have to write here 2 P. SHOPPING, shopping. DROP, drop. DROPPING, dropping. KNIT, knit. KNITTING, knitting. You will not speak knit, knitting. Okay, you have to keep K silent. How to pronounce? Knitting. FIT, fit. FITTING, fitting. I hope that you can able to see this clearly. Now I am showing you this last exercise, exercise D. Add is, are or am and the ing form of suitable doing words from the bracket. Fill in the blanks to complete the story. Here they have shown. So for information, I am writing name of that characters. So she is Preeta, Rohan, Simmi. I don't have space, so I have written here Simmi, Fida, Soma and Nidhi. Okay, so with the help of these characters and pictures, I am completing these blanks. So Preeta goes to her hobby class. She can see many children there. Means she is Preeta and it is a hobby class, and different children are coming for different hobbies. Okay, so some has hobby to draw, some has hobby to write, some has hobby to play tabla and all. So Nidhi dash paint, means who is painting, you have to check that. Who is painting? She is painting, right? So we come to know that she is Nidhi. Because of that only I have written here Nidhi. So Nidhi is painting. Okay, here what they have written, add is, are or am. So because of that Nidhi is painting. Paint is given, so we have to write that spelling, and after that we have to write ING. Already in the heading they have given that you have to add is, are or am, and after that we have to add ing. So Nidhi is painting a picture. Rohan is drawing a sketch. Where is Rohan? Here. He is drawing sketch. So is draw after we have to add ing. So drawing. Rohan is drawing a sketch. So we come to know that he is only Rohan. So because of that I have written here Rohan. So Rohan is drawing a sketch. Simi is learning to dance. See that girl, one girl is dancing means yes, here learn to dance. So we have to check that who is dancing. Simi. So Simi is learn after ing means learning to dance. Fida and Soma. We don't know who is Fida and Soma, but we have to give one name, that Fida and Soma. Okay. So what they both are doing? Playing. Fida and Soma is more than one person, means two is there. So for that we will write ARER. When more than one person is there, at that time we are using R. So Fida and Soma. Fida and Soma, two girls are there. So both they are playing tabla. So we will write are playing. Mini asked Preeta. Here they don't confuse. Here they have not shown meaning, but even though they have here question, they have written here. Mini asked Preeta, what are you doing? Preeta say, I am writing a story and I like to do that. See, one girl only writing. So she is Preeta. We come to know that. How we come to know that she is Preeta? But because she is writing something, and here in this last sentence they have given Preeta says I am writing. So who is writing? Preeta. So we come to know that she is Preeta. So I am. When I in the previous chapter I had told you that when I is there at that time we are writing am. Okay. So I am writing a story and I like to do that. So here chapter ends.